So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. You are watching Park iOS Tech. So in this video guys, I am going to show you that how you can fix your Instagram error that sorry there was a problem with your request. If you're facing that error, then you're on the right video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, you have to do go back to your home screen, and after that you have to do open the settings. After opening the settings, you have to open your Wi-Fi, and here you have to check that you are properly connected with the internet. If your Wi-Fi is not providing you internet, then simply you have to turn on your cellular data. After that, what you have to do is you have to scroll it down, open the general, open the iPhone storage, scroll it down, and here you have to search for the Instagram. You can see Instagram, tab on the Instagram, and with the option offload the app, simply you have to offload the app. After that, what you have to do is open your app store, after opening your app store, here you have to search for the Instagram. You have to scroll it down, open the Instagram, and here you have to check that any kind of update is pending. Here you can see the update is pending. You have to update your Instagram. After that, what you have to do, you have to open your Safari app. After opening your Safari, here you have to write Instagram login. You can see login Instagram, tab on that. Here you have to log in your Instagram ID. I am login mine. You have to log in yours. After logging your Instagram in Chrome, you have to open your profile here. After opening the profile, you get the option of setting in the corner. You tab on that. After that, you have to scroll it down, and you will get the option of report a problem. Tab on that, and here you have to write hello Instagram team, I am facing login error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. So please fix my problem as soon as possible. After that, you can see the option of send report. You have to tab on that. Your request will be sent. I am facing some error due to my internet connection. After submitting the request, what you have to do, you have to go back to your home screen, and after that you have to simply search for the Instagram app. You can see Instagram, tab on Instagram. You have to simply remove your app and reinstall the Instagram app. If these methods are not working for you, then you have to use the last method. Here you have to open your app store, and here you have to search for the Geolab. You can see to account Geolab. You have to tab on that. You have to install that app. After installing that app, what you have to do, you will get the option of Instagram. Simply you have to tab on the Instagram. After that, your Instagram will be cloned, and you have to log in your Instagram there. Thanks for watching.